Take a ride in the 2019 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, chrome wheels, overhead console, brake assist, power driver's seat, rear window wiper. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.